Hi and welcome to BikeNord. My name is Gillar. As you see, today I bought myself an early Christmas present. I thought I will have some more power in my street glide Milwaukee 8 2018, and I was checking around on YouTube and looking on my friends there and what they had to say about maybe change my cam to get some more torque and horsepower. And actually I wanted to do the upgrade to 124 cubic inch, but then I thought maybe I should go for the cam and then feel that experience, and after that maybe next winter I go for the big bore, and that's what it ended up in, actually a cam exchange. So which cam did I choose? Yeah, I really would like to have some more torque, and I really like it when it comes directly when I give the throttle. And I was looking around on YouTube, and my friends on YouTube, they actually have done a really good investigation, and in the end I choose cam from SNS. And I have very long experience from SNS, and I think it's really good products, and they really know how to do it, and especially when it comes to performance. So I go with a 465 C cam, and C stands for chain drive, because that's what I have on my bike, and I thought maybe I could go for the G version. G stands for gear drive, but in the end I actually choose the chain drive version. So the 465C model should give me more or less 20-25 horsepower and a lot of more torque, and that's what I ordered from SNS. And here you have all the parts. You can go with a cam only, with this cam, and you can choose to go with the packing and the bearing, and this together you can change your cam. Of course you need to have the push rods, because when you want to do an easy installation you can cut the old push rods and install these ones instead. So this is actually what you need. But I thought, because of the situation with the Milwaukee 8, maybe you know about the oil sumping problem. I actually had that problem with my CVO, and Harley Davidson had to change the oil pump to a bigger one to get rid of the oil sumping problem. And maybe you will not notice it, but if you drive in high speed like we do here in Europe, then the crankcase will be full with oil, and the oil pump has no power enough to pump back the oil to the oil pan, and then you lose a lot of power, like 40% power from the engine. And this is, you can compare it with running on the street, and if you compare that, if you want to run in water, like in a swimming pool, that's exactly what you feel in the bike as well. You lose a lot of power, and it's very heavy to run in water. So that's what oil sumping is all about. And to avoid that situation, because I go often high speed, like 150, 160 kilometers per hour with my street glide, 107, then I thought, okay, I buy the bigger kit where I got the oil pump and the cam plate as well. So I have the cam, the bearing, the push rods, I have the oil pump in the kit, and if you know or have feel on the original oil pump, you can really feel the difference between this one and the original one. It's totally different. Together with that, you have new screws for the oil pump. You got the cam plate as well, and that's a totally different construction than the original one. The stock one is casting, yes, and this one is billet aluminium. You also got some new tappet cuffs, because the original or the stock ones are in plastic, and this is billet aluminium as well. And you got new lifters, a set of tappets, hydraulic ones, and this we will change as well from the stock ones. You got a sticker too, really important. Assembly lube comes with a package, what you need. Even actually red Loctite, blue Loctite, to keep your bolts and screws safe in the engine. So actually with this package you get it all, and yeah, I'm looking forward to start up to do the work on my bike. So this is what I will spend my time around Christmas. Except for being together with my family, of course. I will install this kit on my Milwaukee 8 107 Street Glide. So please like us, don't forget to subscribe, and we will come back with a movie when we install all this stuff in a Street Glide. Until we see you next time, have a really nice day. Bye.